First, let's understand why dessert can be a challenge for diabetics. Many traditional desserts have high sugar and carbohydrate counts. These spikes can lead to fluctuating blood sugar levels. That's where our coconut yogurt delight comes to the rescue. This dessert uses coconut yogurt as its base. It's creamy, rich, and perfect for satisfying your cravings. Next, we'll add natural sweeteners and wholesome ingredients. Let's break down how to make this delightful treat step by step. Start with 1 cup of unsweetened coconut yogurt. This is the foundation of our dessert. It's packed with healthy fats and probiotics, supporting gut health. Then, add 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. These seeds add fiber and help thicken the yogurt. Next, we'll sweeten our delight. Use 1 tablespoon of honey or a sugar substitute like stevia. This keeps the dessert diabetic-friendly while adding a touch of sweetness. Now, mix in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. This will enhance the flavor beautifully. Stir everything together until well combined. The consistency should be smooth and creamy. For a fun twist, let's layer in some toppings. Fresh berries or chopped nuts are excellent choices. They add more fiber and healthy nutrients to your dessert. Simply sprinkle them on top. Let the mixture chill in the refrigerator for about 1 hour. This allows it to thicken further. Plus, it'll be refreshing and cool, perfect for any day. Imagine taking a spoonful of this coconut yogurt delight. The creamy texture melts in your mouth, while the sweet and tangy berries burst with flavor. It's a satisfying end to your meal that won't spike your blood sugar. To recap, we started with unsweetened coconut yogurt and added chia seeds, sweetener, and vanilla. Then, we topped it with delicious berries or nuts. Remember, healthy doesn't have to mean tasteless. With coconut yogurt delight, you enjoy a flavorful, guilt-free dessert. So why wait? Try making coconut yogurt delight at home. Your taste buds and your body will thank you. Don't forget to share your creations and experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more tasty, diabetic-friendly recipes.